Wollongong Harbour is the heart of the city's coastline, a vibrant blend of history, ocean views, fishing boats, and classic seaside charm. The harbour is one of the most picturesque spots in the Illawarra. It's a place where locals fish off the breakwall, boats drift gently in the marina, and visitors gather to soak up the coastal atmosphere. The harbour has deep roots in Wollongong's maritime and industrial history, once playing a key role in transporting coal and goods along the coast. Today, it's a relaxed waterfront hub, perfect for a scenic walk, grabbing fish and chips, or simply watching the boats head in and out of the calm blue water. From here, you get uninterrupted views. Whether you're exploring the Lighthouse, launching a boat, or just enjoying the sea breeze, Wollongong Harbour captures everything people love about this coastal city. Don't forget to enjoy the little moments in life. Come and explore Australia with us, the Holiday Hunter, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And we will see you in the next adventure.